Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To move from one worksheet to another, click the Worksheet Name tab of the worksheet to view from the Worksheet Name tabs in the lower left corner of the workbook. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Page Up on your keyboard to move to the previous worksheet, and press Ctrl plus Page Down on your keyboard to move to the next worksheet. If you have many worksheets in a workbook or give worksheets very long names, the Worksheet Name tabs may start to disappear as they slide underneath the horizontal scroll bar to the right. Only when this occurs can you then click the Previous Sheet and Next Sheet buttons to the left of the Worksheet Name tabs. Doing this then moves the names of the worksheet tabs out from underneath the horizontal scroll bar until you can see the one that you want to view. At that point, you can then click its Worksheet Name tab to view it. Alternatively, you can also right-click either the Previous Sheet or Next Sheet buttons to select the name of the worksheet to view in the Activate dialog box that then appears. After selecting the sheet name to view, click the OK button to activate the selected worksheet.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.